15's fourth one, okay. You built this?
No, Zach Pope did.
Zach Pope, okay.
It should sound a little bit better since the last time you heard it. I got the Salt 8Ks.
What's your battery reserve like?
3 limitless 70 amp hour batteries. I have 320 McMahon alternators.
Okay. And the ZV5s?
6 ZV515s.
Got it. Have you metered it?
I haven't metered it since I've done the upgrades.
Yeah.
But last time when you heard it, I was doing a 161.
But you got up from there.
Yeah. You only need one and everything.
Yeah. Yeah. Appreciate it, man. Thank you. I'm gonna go look at the amp and under the hood. Appreciate the demo. I think you had someone that wanted to hear it. All right, man. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, man. imagine, dude, if you put this... No, I'm good. I got enough fun loud demos today.
Hey, you only need one and everything.
Yeah. Yeah, appreciate it, man. Thank you. I'm gonna go look at the amp and under the hood. Appreciate the demo. I think you had something I wanted to hear. All right, man, thank you. Thank you. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, XplicitAudio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.